my kitchen. We're gonna do a quick little Nespresso on the cheap video. This is how you do it when you're not loaded or you just don't feel like paying Nespresso prices. For Nespresso, obviously not sponsored. Okay, so I've got this little machine. It's not new. Got it secondhand from my daughter's friend. It might be the Nespresso Cities or it might be the Pixie. I think it's 5 years old. And actually, we might have a little surprise today when it doesn't work real well because the settings might be off. But what I'm gonna do is show you this here where I keep all my coffees. And we're gonna do, for our photographer, we're gonna do a Vivace. Now this, you don't have to buy from Nespresso. This is by Cafitaly. You can also buy from Lavazza. Lavazza is sold in Canada at London Drugs. So like $4 or $5, $4.99 and $6.49. They were on sale. So these are compatible pods, so you don't have to spend $1 a coffee, maybe 49 cents or something. And so they're compatible. So look, they're just gorgeous little things, right? And I'll go over here and get the best cup, which me being thrifty, I didn't go to the Nespresso site and spend $35 for 2 of these. This was from the Dollar General. No, we don't have a Dollar General. Dollarama. That's American. Canadian Dollarama. And this was $2.50. Perfect size and shape. So I put that under because being a forgetful old dear, sometimes I turn the darn thing on and a big mess happens. So I also have to show you this. This is a tool that I actually paid full price for because although there are sales, or were sales around Christmas and the New Year, where you could get like a combo deal. This is $100, okay? So I just whipped on down to my local Bay store and I got this Arancino. And it's like got a nice coating inside that makes it stick proof. And then it's got this cute little Twizzly Wizzly. This is the Twizzler. And that pops right in there, and magnetically, it's easy to pull in and out. That goes in there. Sometimes I forget to put it in. I put the milk in, and then I'm just being honest, I have to get in there and it goes. So that's good, and this is the lid with the ring. And you have to clean those parts after. So yeah, plugs in. So, okay, so I'm gonna put these away and be neat and tidy and keep my photographer on duty a little longer. Then I'm gonna go to my fridge. And I'm gonna get some milk. You can use skim. I'm using whole. Whole milk's even better. Cold. And I'm putting that in here. And I'm gonna go to the bottom line. I find that it fills it pretty much to the top. Once I tried coming to the top line and the darn thing overflowed, and I don't know why, because the instructions never said anything about that. So I'll just go up to there. Is our puppy whining? Oh, we have to feed the puppy mid vid. Yeah. And then lid, tightly fitting lid goes on. Now what do you want me to start with first? This? Let's do this. This is gonna be really noisy, especially if, I don't even know how to turn it on. I think you do that. Come in here and you can see that these two blink. This is for the little teeny weeny coffee. This is for the slightly bigger teeny weeny coffee. That's called espresso. That's called lungo. It's longo, lungo, like your lungs. So it means long in Italy, in Italian. Okay, so yeah, when I open this up, the old one will drop down in there. So anyway, when that stops blinking, I'm putting this puppy in. Now, the thing that could go wrong is that it'll just give me a little, and then another little, and I'll be holding it. But I tried to reset it to the factory settings. So, oh, it stopped blinking. Hey guys, the joy of lifting that up and putting that in, that's just worth the price of a used machine right there. Oh, why? Then we put it down like that, and then I'm just gonna press the lungo. Noisy as heck, that's expected. Okay, I'm getting the first little that I told you about. And it comes out in a sort of a milky coffee color, and so far, I may have reset it. It seems to be going steady, because I want to get like a half a cup and then add foam. Oh, I'm quite happy with myself for following the printed instructions I got from my other daughter's new machine. She lent me her instructions for a bit. Look at that. I think we'll be keeping this. So I wasn't too sure how it was functioning. So yeah, and then in a minute I will hit this. And you just hit it quickly, and that makes the steamed and frothy one. If you hit it and hold it, that's for cold coffees in the summer, like frappuccinos or something. Look at that. I hope it stops. Okay, stop. Maybe soon. Thank you. I programmed it perfectly. I'm so darn smart. Okay, so we'll just leave that there. You ready? I'm gonna give this a quick, and it'll turn red. You ready? Ooh, turn red. If you want to get in on that, just get in on that. Now I'm making this coffee for my photographer, and I'm wondering if my photographer wants a little bit of this on top. Oh, I'm getting a nod. What is that? The Torani caramel. So, you know, if I can drizzle, that's like having a caramel macchiato at Starbucks. This is full strength coffee, by the way, photographer. So you're gonna be jazzed. And it'll taste just like Starbucks, but cheaper. Yeah, yeah. Now the reason I'm not having coffee is because I need this kind. Specializing in this word here, decaf, because see this yapping? That's my normal. If I was to have real coffee, I'd be so irritated because I couldn't stop chattering. Just don't know why. Just a happy gal. Okay, so that's looking super cute. And do you think you'd like a little Splenda sweetener in that, darling? My darling photographer's nodding. I'm gonna need I'm gonna just shake a little in there. Just a little, because the caramel will add to it too. You be all right. Yeah, also, just to show you another cheap trick, I didn't buy the Nespresso descaler. I bought this at London Drugs for any coffee machine. I ran that through and then flushed it with 3 full tanks of water after. So that was like very inexpensive, and it's a lot. Okay, so this is getting nice and quiet in here. It's coming to a stop. Oh, you guys are gonna just wish you were here having that. Here we go. Lid off. Now don't be disappointed if all the milk falls out first and you think, oh, it didn't work, because that sometimes happens. Oh, that's perfect. Oh my God. Woohoo. Oh, geez, Louise, should we overflow it? Nice. Doesn't that look special? Okay, now this is where I need a steady hand. Oh, that's gonna be awesome. So there you have it, guys. Inexpensive Nespresso and foamed milk. And you're very welcome for my tips and tricks.